Hello guys, last time we left off I was building my house here, and as you can see it's in like a cave. So I haven't done the inside yet. Let's fill that in. Okay. Gotta put that there. Wait. Maybe I can put my phone? Nah. Yeah, no. Need dirt. Stinking dirt. Wait, wish I need to get some gold. Oh my god. I need to light up this place. Yay, gold! Okay. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. Somebody's talking on the phone and somebody else is talking, watching the TV. So sorry about that. Okay. Just make some torches. Okay. Let's keep doing this. Huh. Delete. Why is it so dark on the top of my screen? I just realized. That's a little weird. Oh, that's so annoying. Maybe it's fixed when we go outside, maybe? Is it fixed? Yay. That's weird. Wonder what happened. So I have that. Blah. What? It isn't working. Whoa, what's that thing on my screen? Hold on. Okay. Let's get back. I'll get that coal later. Oh, come on, it ends here. Darn it. That stinks. Okay. Oh well. Let's just delete this. Whoa. Oh, that looks stupid. Let's just make that prettier. Pretty. It's so pretty. There. It looks hideous now. Okay. So, yeah. Let's just make this even. Well, not even. Like, pretty. I'm sorry. It seemed funny. Ugh. Okay. Let's make pickaxe, a sword, and what else do we need? Let's make an axe, and yeah, okay. 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 Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Do I have this stuff here? Need steps. La 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 la. Oh, just the right amount. Here? No. No. There. 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 There we go. Nope. Not the just right amount. There. That looks better. Now you're talking. Okay. Let's make it in here. And here. Okay, let's just make like a dock. Okay, that's good. Okay. Yeah. So let's just light this up. No, not there. Right there. So every corner. No, that looks good. Yeah, that's good. Let's make a boat. Let's work on a house later. Yay, a boat. Sail the 7 seas. That was random. Okay. Boat in water. Let's ride. Hi, chicken. How you doing? You made it. Hey, you're doing good. Die. Die. Give me an egg. Thank you. Yay. Okay, let's get out of here. This wasn't a swamp, darn it. It's just a stinking tree. Don't look like a swamp tree. Wow, that's big. Is that a regular tree? Yes, it is, but with a jungle around it. It's a little weird. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Hold on. No, I'm in an ocean. Yeah, I know that. Beach. Sorry if you can't see it. Who cares? Okay, let's go back. Stupid mistake for a swamp. Okay, let's. Oh, another cave. There are two more caves in this. Let's check it out. Right after I put this away. Hold on a second. The doorbell. Okay, sorry about that. Where were we? Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. I think I'm gonna end it here. And I'll check out that cave while you're gone. So, peace out. Boop.